Newton's first law of motion. Dear students, Galileo Galilei performed some experiments on an object in motion. Newton studied the observations of Galileo's experiment and presented three laws of motion. Here we are going to discuss in detail about Galileo's experiments and discovery of first law of motion. Galileo observed the motion of objects on an inclined plane. When ball is rolled down from inclined plane, velocity of ball increases. When ball rolls up, its velocity decreases. In case of doubly inclined plane, the ball released from one end rolls down the plane and then again climbs up the other plane. If angle of inclination of both plane is equal, then distance travelled by ball in second plane will be same as distance travelled in first plane. Also, height travelled on both planes is same. Now consider another case where angle of inclination of second plane decreases. In this case, ball travels larger distance to reach original height. With further decrease in angle of inclination, there is an increase in distance. So, a situation comes where angle of inclination becomes 0. The ball will continue to travel in same straight path, trying to reach same height. Practically, this situation proves false because the frictional force of surface opposes motion of ball and allows it to stop after a while. Friction can be reduced up to an extent if surface is smooth or surface is covered with smooth substances like oil. By studying Galileo's idea, Newton presented three laws of motion. The first law of motion states that body maintains its state of rest or uniform motion along straight line until and unless an unbalanced force acts on it. This property of an object to keep itself in state of rest or in uniform motion is called as inertia. Hence, first law of motion is also known as law of inertia. Let's have a look on an activity based on Newton's first law of motion. Inertia and mass. Larger the size of object, higher will be the tendency to maintain the position of rest. Hence, larger will be the inertia. For example, inertia of train will be comparatively larger than that of a bicycle. Some examples based on first law of motion are: body remain in state of rest in the bus. When driver applies brake, the motion of bus slows down and body maintains its state of rest due to inertia. When bus starts, body tends to fall backward. This is because feet are in contact with the bus. As motion of bus starts, feet experience motion, but rest of the body tries to be at rest and hence the body tries to fall backward. While taking a sharp turn, body gets thrown to opposite side. This is because body tries to maintain its motion in straight line. So here we completed this topic. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn second law of motion.